Welcome to WoodWing Scienta, where you'll enjoy an efficient experience for managing users and optimizing your workflow. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create new users so you can get the most out of this platform right from the start. Let's dive in. Start by logging into the Scienta portal and click on Go to Admin. Next, navigate to the Users tab, where you'll find the option to add new users. You are now viewing the overview of all users. On the right side of the screen, you will see two options for creating users: Import Users and New User. The difference between these two options is Import Users allows you to create multiple users by uploading an Excel file. New User is for creating a single user manually. Let's begin by creating a new user. Click on the New User button. In the General section, you will need to fill in the following required fields, such as name, username, email, and you may add an image here as the profile picture. Simply select a file from your device, and the image will be displayed as your profile photo. You can also assign the user to multiple groups by selecting the desired groups and clicking Apply. In the Settings section, you can optionally set a future activation date for the user. You may click on the field and select the date from the calendar, as well as define a temporary access period by specifying a deactivation date here. The Send Email Notifications option determines whether users receive email notifications, such as task assignments or upcoming deadlines. The Activated option indicates whether you want to make the user active. You can leave a user inactive to set up their account without granting immediate access and activate them later. The Send a Welcome and Activation Email option ensures the user receive a welcome email with information for setting their own password. As stated here, only the user can change their own password. We'll show you where to reset a user's password from the Users List view later. Under the Labels section, you can link users to, for example, a department, function, or other labels that were created in advance in the label management. Other than the essential details, you can also fill in personal, business, and social details here. These fields allow you to further customize the user's profile by including relevant personal background, helping to create a more comprehensive user experience. Once the user account is created, they will receive a welcome email, allowing them to set up a password. Upon creating their password, the user will be able to log in immediately. Next, let's walk through the process of importing users into Scienta. Start by clicking on the Import Users button. This option is ideal when you have a large number of users to create, as you can upload an Excel file to import multiple users at once. Before uploading, be sure to review the file requirements under the Explanation section. Here is a sample Excel file we'll be using for this guide. To upload the file, you can either drag and drop it or click the Select Files button. You may choose whether to have the imported users activated immediately or added without activation, and you can also send a welcome email to the imported users. Now let's return to the Users page. Here, you'll find a list of all users with general information. You can edit any user's information by clicking the Edit button on the right side of the page. These settings can also be adjusted by the users directly in their profile, if needed. Once you've done with the changes, make sure to click the Save button to apply them. Next to the Edit button, you'll see a three-dot menu with additional options, such as Reset User's Password, Send Welcome Mail, Deactivate User, and Archive User. These options will also appear above the users list by selecting the checkbox next to any user. For example, resend a welcome email to a user who has never logged in. At the left sidebar, you can specify your view with the filtering options. Filter to display activated, deactivated, or archived users. Select specific group types, and filter by gender. It's also possible to create users using SSO. SSO stands for Single Sign-On, which enables users log in to multiple apps with just one username and password. It simplifies login, enhances security with a single account, and removes the need to remember multiple passwords. You can learn more about SSO in the manual here. And that's it! You now know how to easily create users in Scienta. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.